Many people feel tired every day. They wake up tired. They go to work tired. They come home tired. They feel tired in the body, and they feel tired in the mind. This is very common in life today. Many people think being tired is normal. They think resting is not important. They think they must always work, always try, and always move. But when you are tired, resting is very important. Resting is not a bad thing. Resting is a good thing. Resting helps your body. Resting helps your mind. Resting helps you live better. When you are tired, your body talks to you. Your body says, "I need rest." Your body feels heavy. Your eyes feel sore. Your head feels full. Your legs feel weak. Your arms feel slow. These are signs. These signs are very clear. But many people do not listen. They say, "I will rest later." They say, "I do not have time." They say, "I must finish this first." So they keep going. They keep working. They keep pushing. And their body feels more tired. Being tired is not only about the body. Being tired is also about the mind. When the mind is tired, you feel sad easily. You feel angry easily. Small things feel big. Simple things feel hard. You cannot focus well. You forget things. You feel empty. You feel quiet inside, but not in a good way. This kind of tiredness is very common too. And this kind of tiredness also needs rest. Resting does not always mean sleeping. Sleeping is important, but rest can be many things. Rest can be sitting quietly. Rest can be lying down and doing nothing. Rest can be closing your eyes for a few minutes. Rest can be taking a slow walk. Rest can be listening to soft music. Rest can be breathing slowly. These small things are also rest. They help your body slow down. They help your mind calm down. Many people feel guilty when they rest. They think, "I am lazy." They think, "I should do more." They think, "Other people are working." But resting is not being lazy. Resting is being kind to yourself. When you rest, you care about your health. When you rest, you respect your limits. Everyone has limits. You are not a machine. You are a human being. Humans need rest. When you rest, your body can repair itself. Your muscles can relax. Your heart can slow down. Your breath can become soft. Your body feels safe. When the body feels safe, it works better later. When you rest well, you can work better later. You can think better later. You can feel better later. Rest is not the end of work. Rest is part of work. Think about a phone. When a phone has no battery, it cannot work. You need to charge it. If you keep using it, it will stop. Your body is like that too. When your energy is low, you need rest. Rest is like charging your body. Without rest, you cannot go on for a long time. Many people wait until they are very tired to rest. This is not good. It is better to rest before you are too tired. Small rest is very helpful. 5 minutes of rest is good. 10 minutes of rest is good. You do not need a long holiday every time. You need small rest every day. These small breaks help you a lot. In the morning, you can rest by waking up slowly. You can sit on your bed for a minute. You can take a deep breath. You do not need to rush. At work, you can rest by standing up and stretching. You can look out of the window. You can close your eyes for a short time. At night, you can rest by turning off your phone early. You can lie in bed and breathe. These small things are simple, but they help. When you rest, you also learn to listen to yourself. You learn to feel your body. You learn to feel your mind. You start to know when you are tired. You start to know what you need. This is very important. Many people do not know what they need because they never stop. Rest helps you understand yourself better. Some people think rest is a waste of time, but rest actually saves time. When you are very tired, you work slowly. You make mistakes. You feel stressed. But when you rest, you feel fresh. You feel clear. You can do things faster. You can do things better. So rest helps your life, not hurts it. Resting also helps your feelings. When you rest, you feel calmer. You feel softer inside. You are kinder to other people. You smile more easily. You listen better. You do not get angry so fast. This makes your relationships better. Rest helps you and the people around you. It is okay to say no when you are tired. It is okay to stop. It is okay to rest. You do not need to explain to everyone. You do not need to feel bad. Your health is important. Your energy is important. You matter. Some days, you feel tired for no clear reason. This is also okay. You do not always need a reason. Life can be heavy. Life can be busy. Life can be loud. Rest helps you when life feels like this. Rest gives you space. Rest gives you quiet. Rest gives you peace. When you rest, you are not giving up. You are preparing. You are getting ready for the next step. Even strong people need rest. Even successful people need rest. Even happy people need rest. Rest is for everyone. If you feel tired today, try to rest a little. Sit down. Breathe slowly. Put your hand on your chest. Feel your breath. Tell yourself, it is okay to rest. This simple moment can help more than you think. Over time, resting becomes a habit. You start to rest before you are too tired. You start to care for yourself more. Your life feels lighter. Your days feel calmer. You still work. You still try. But you also rest. This balance is important. Resting when you are tired is not a weakness. It is wisdom. It is listening. It is love for yourself. When you rest, you say, I matter. And this is a very important message. So remember this. When your body feels tired, listen. When your mind feels tired, stop. Rest is not something you do only at the end. Rest is something you do along the way. Rest helps you keep going. Rest helps you live better. Rest helps you be yourself. And that is why resting when you are tired is not only okay. It is necessary.